na kĩo kĩa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ kĩrakorwo gĩkiuma ibuku-inĩ rĩa Mark chapter 1 verse 35. Mark chapter 1 verse 35 na kĩo gĩakorwo kiuga atĩrĩrĩ, now in the morning, having risen a long while before daylight, he went out and departed to a solitary place, and he prayed. And Simon and those who were with him searched for him. When they found him, they said to him, everyone is looking for you. But he said to them, let us go into the next towns, that I may preach there also, because for this purpose I have come forth. Na rĩrĩ, rũcinĩ tene riũa rĩtanaratha, Jesu agĩũkĩra agĩthiĩ kũndũ gũtarĩ andũ, akĩhoera Ngai kuo. Nake Simoni na arĩa angĩ marĩ nake makĩmũkinyĩra, makĩmwĩra atĩrĩrĩ, nĩ ũracario nĩ andũ othe. No Jesu akĩmera atĩrĩrĩ, rekei tume gũkũ tũthiĩ matũũra marĩa mangĩ ngahunjie kuo ona kuo, amu nĩkĩo ndokire. Amu nĩkĩo ndokire. Nĩ koguo kiugo kĩa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ndenda gĩkorwo gĩkĩgwa wega ta wega na ndereti ya mũthenya witũ ya ndereti itũ ya mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ũmũthĩ ndenda tũkorwo tũkĩrora nĩ maita maigana ũkoragwo wĩna maũndũ maingĩ ũkaigua, now I need a space, like I need seclusion, I need to close like everyone. Ndenda hinge kila mũndũ, ngorwo ndĩika, ngorwo ndĩ handũ, ngorwo ngĩarĩria Ngai ndĩika when I am alone. Nĩ maita maigana ũkoragwo ũgĩkinya hau. Na hihi rĩrĩ, we nĩ wĩikaraga ũguo thengi ũkamenya it is a high time to take a seclusion period. Ndĩgagĩkorwo atĩ imagine nĩ ũragerera maũndũ maingĩ, a lot of things, na ndũrenda nginyagia ũkĩoya a humble time for yourself. Nĩ njũĩ thaa ingĩ nĩ tũkoragwo very exhausted na very overwhelmed na maũndũ marĩa maragĩthiĩ na mbere mĩtũrĩre-inĩ itũ. Waikora mambo haingiani jamani. Unajaribu hivi, unauma nje. Unajaribu hivi vingine, vumbi, dust. Yakorwo atĩ yani kila siku tu mambo yako haingiani. Ukageria ũngĩ. Nĩ maita maigana wĩikaraga thĩ ũkeira, you know what? It is high time I take a seclusion. I seclude myself from people, from the rest of the world. Go into that room, go into that place, go together. Imagine okorwo Jesu mwenyewe, Yesu mwenyewe, mwana wa Ngai, ũrĩa oĩ vio na atũmĩtwo nĩ baba, agĩũka gũkũ guothe, nĩ amenyaga nĩ kwarĩ na mahinda ma gũthiĩ mbere ya Ngai wika. Arĩ na the 12 disciples. No mahinda kwa mahinda Jesu nĩ okĩraga agathiĩ handũ akahoya wika akiwa peke yake. Thaa ingĩ nĩ wega tũkoragwo tũkiuga mũndũ ndagakorwo agĩikara wika, mũndũ ndakagerere maũndũ wika, mũndũ reke agakĩarĩria arata ake 1 2 3 maũndũ marĩa aragerera. No thaa ingĩ we need that time. You need to like ũhinge mĩrango yothe ya the world, you enter into a seclusion period. Wakorwo ũgĩthiĩ na maũndũ maku mothe ũmatitikĩte, mĩrigo yaku yothe, ugatigana na arata, ugatigana na aciari, ugatigana na arĩa mũciaranĩirwo nao, ugatigana na what unajibeba wewe mwenyewe, shida zako, tabu zako, mizigo zako zote, wakorwo ũgĩthiĩ mbere ya Mwathani, ũkamũtwarĩra. Tondũ maybe ona thaa ingĩ it is just nĩ ũrĩa we in the circle of a lot of people, ukariganĩrwo nginyagia ukona ta ukaga ihinda rĩu, tondũ thaa ici mwĩna Karanja, thaa icio ingĩ mwĩna Kamau, thaa icio ingĩ wĩna Wawerũ. Ũkĩthi kuma kwa Wawerũ, Njoroge agakũhũrĩra agĩkwĩra ũgerere gwake. You see, like koguo mahinda mothe, yes wĩna maũndũ ũkuĩte, yes nĩ mũramarĩrĩria, no rĩrĩ nĩ ũraga ihinda rĩu rĩa gũkorwo ũkĩmatwara he Mwathani. Thaa ingĩ nĩ tũgeragia na maybe no ũkorwo ũteithio waku ndũrakĩonekana. Na niĩ no njuge nĩ harĩ umithio in taking a seclusion period. When you just take your time, you live like everyone. You live even yourself. You just carry your heart. Atigĩrĩra atĩ no ngoro yaku ũrakuua. Okorwo nĩ ũraigua a lot of other things nĩ cirakorwo cigĩ drain. It is good, go take a time, relax, Breathe in, breathe out, and then come back strong and better. Reke tutige kwihitha thiini wa arata, tutige kwihitha thiini wa family. Ati riria uragerera maundu unajaribu kukaa karibu na mabeshte endo usionekane ati unasafa ama nini. Ni wega, it is very good. Na unaige kumurekera maita maria Jesu akoragwo akiehera hari disciples yake. Arutwo aria ari nao aria agithiaga nao kila mahali. Atigagirira ni aramakuwa o hindi agithie athiaga nao no akiona nginyagia hau after athie in a place of worship, in a place to pray. Hado eika Simon ni athire akimwira ni uracario. You see, na naona Jesu hata haku explain like mbona halikuwa huko peke yake. Sometimes you don't have to. Sometimes no menya thaigi ikitutigae kwanirira kiria ugwikaga hari ogwo thaigi itikira Ngai agutware ukamureke oe thabari yo ameterefe eikanga atige guteithiririo ni andu tondu riria urameneana kwi andu he aria mesa wanayo he oria we very true anataka kukusaidia, anataka kukuhelp, na kuna mwingine manze anafurahia your troubles, anafurahia your tribulations. Manze ye huna isa kiona ukisafa. Na si ati na imagine nzuri wa sako ndio hiyo sako ni wewe mwenye unaitanga rafiki yako. Ushoko huragiraga gikwira manze sutoke wewe hata utakange kujua nini unafanya umorife mahali yako. Osho he's among those who celebrate in your tribulations. Kogo ni wega twako tukioya kahida tukaigira hado thini wa ifuku ria Luke chapter 5 verse 16 ndenda ukuhutiria kuria Jesu akoragwo eika. Luke chapter 5 verse 16, yet he frequently withdrew to the wilderness to pray. In Matthew chapter 14:23, after he had dismissed them, he went up on the mountain by himself to pray. When evening came, he was there alone. In Luke chapter 6 verse 12, the word says, in those days, Jesus went out to the mountain to pray, and he spent the night in prayer to God. Matthew 6:6, but when you pray, go into your inner room, shut your door, and pray to your Father who is unseen, and your Father who sees what is done in secret will reward you. Kogwale maybe gayetereire how amangoja tu your part, your step, like you seclude yourself from everything around you. Like everything, people, works, maybe kuna kakitu nako ukifanya kana ku drain zaidi. Etereire tu hidiria okoye kinyariu, you enter into an inner room. You alone, you as a person, you as you, not you as someone else or you as you. Odio mwere madina maku mode mwere ai baba ai hata kama baba yangu hata kama ni kujaribu mtoto yako. Hata kama baba yangu ulisema lazima tu modo wa kudagira thimu atagera irio kereine mwakini. Hii mwaki ni moto. Hii moto ni moto. Ila ni choma baba. Maybe aterere nani gwiraga nani dana kwira haha. Sometimes tufundithagia ko provoke Ngai. Just go and provoke him. Lumere hey Ngai atakama. Onokorwo niwe haho wakiri hahio muno haha ndingetoria ma Ngai haha ungithina mbere na kundwaraga thabari gaka mimi nita give up jamani, nitajileta kwako. No ndirauga mundu a commit suicide tugatirire. It was a joke guys. No ndirauga atirire ugatigagirira ati you go before God sometimes, just provoke him. Mwambie Mungu ni ukweli sasa hii leo nimesurrender. Sitaweza. Sasa ni either wewe ama wewe. Na usipofanya manze ujue si mimi nitaibika, ni wewe utaibika baba yangu. Todo adoma manyo nakabaga kuona fafa. No maria ndiragerera tha ici ni muturire watho ni maundu matari na ngoro. Yani ngoretwo ndi nyumba dire wira dire ke sina mbele wala nyuma. Yani hakuna kitu yangu inaenda right sa God. Alafu sasa baba yangu. Sasa wananicheka. Na unajua tu nikichekwa pia wewe unachekwa. Juu wananiuliza, jamani kwani unaombanga mtu mgani? Mwambie. Maybe ateraire hau. Nanegoraga heira thimushukaga through provoking God's mercy. You go fifinya. Ndakwira maybe ateraire kahinda kau gukoro ukiingira theinie wa karu. Dirauga karumu karia dirauga like in a room, a very secretive room. Ndawathie karumu kau kire gukoro gika ni kuhoya. No gakoro kira Ngai nakwambia baba, mimi hii imenishinda. Najua unanijaribu, ona Jesu ni akinyiria kira Ngai atiriri. Fafa. Na kigikombe giki kia ruo githengio mbere yakwa. Imagine that was Jesus. Even you can use that card. Mungu baba. Hizi shida nazo ni mingi. Jehereria gikombe giki kia ruo. Jehereria gikombe giki kia kwaga wira. Jehereria gikombe giki gia guikaraga handu hamwe. Jehereria gikombe giki gia gutindaga handu hamwe. Ati muturire wakwa waingira tuingira 2024 mwaka no the same. Tuingira 2025 gutire kindu kiracenjia. Muthenya maria ndari namo 2023 no mo ndina mo muthenya wa umuthi. Hai. Ukamwira baba. Sagodi. Nibadilishie maisha. Na ndakwira maybe Ngai etereire that one. That thing. Tiga kurora no uraingira nake. Inafaa uingie peke yako. Todo nijue kama mmesema mnaenda kesha, unataka kujua ni rafiki yako mgani na mgani anaenda ndo uende. Lazima ujue ni nani yako. Kama beshti yako aendi unasema hata mimi siendi. Kama ni nani amesema hayuko na wewe unasema ngori kuenda. Kama Shirwa aendi hata mimi siendi. Kama Mary hayuko ama unapigia Mary, Mary tunaendelea maombi. Anasema anasema anakuuliza wewe unaenda? Wewe uendi mimi siendi. Hayae. Let me tell you hayae. Maybe Mary alikuwa amejifungia kwa karum juzi. Like amelala akiomba. Alikuwa amejifunga siku 2-3. Wewe mwisho ulifanya fasting ilikuwa mwaka gani? Mary alijifunga na wewe unamwambia ati nilikuwa nataka confirm kama unaenda ajuendi mimi siendi. Kuridikani ati matuine tukathie tweika kila mtu ataenda peke yake. Na irathi mwisho gari yo urenda kugura mutikagura na miri. You'll buy it yourself. It will be for you. Kogwo ri ni wega ugathi wakira Ngai. Tafadhali baba nifungulie milango. Higorera baba nifungulie milango. Unamshow hivyo. Tujifunze hiyo. Tujifunze. Ora ni wega thenge gwifundithagia wikaraga wika. Si kila time mbogi gengeng mbogi kila wakati. Sometimes if you're not okay, it is very okay to take time, sit, relax, breathe in, breathe out, check what you need to do it. Na kama huwezi ambia Mungu akupatie nguvu. Tuache tuku unataka tu kujificha. Hata saa zingine ukiplan tu, si unajuanga tu mpango wa maisha yako ni wewe peke yako. Ni wewe solo man. Ni wewe peke yako. Na guraga ukamenyaga tuko very different. Shida zenye zinakusumbua si zenye zinasumbua ule mwingine. Maybe osho mere osho rarega guthie kanitha tondu ndarathi. Kiora kira amuthinia ri. Ni Ngai amuongerere ngari ya gatatu. Rahoya Ngai ahingure njira. One ngari ya gatatu. Nawe Ngai. Woi. Anagatuthi karakamu ithikiri hauna. Kogwo from today henceforth, learn to appreciate those seclusions times, those seclusions periods, those times when you are alone. Even Jesus, most of the time, he went to pray alone. It shows how powerful, how sometimes we need to yani upatane tu na God wewe na yeye. Utuweke taja kuforia nyitire muraikoria wire Ngai nie ndirakurekia Ngai kinya undathime miss kwachili okoroja kufunia nyitireire muraika utuku muhima akihorana nake akirega nake fio no imagine unyitete muraika ukarega nake onawe nyita Jehova ngumwire he Ngai waga kudathima sioni alafu aje sioni mahali kwingine nezenda nililie kwa when you're not okay, when you have a lot of baggages, when you have a lot, when you have a lot, yes, lakini si pia ati unapotelelea wase. Abana, sijasema mtu akae peke yake, mimi sijasema hivyo. Nimesema sometimes usikue wala wasi wa kukaa peke yao pia, ati shida zinakuham kwa peke yako, zinakutafuna when you're alone. No, I have said those seasonal seclusions period. Seasonal. Si permanent, seasonal. Zile za mara moja. Unazipata, unazitafuta, unaenda, you breathe and you come out someone strong, someone better, someone who has have redemption. Someone who is ready to take life again. Na kuridikanie hari mwathani. Hari mwathani ni hari irathimo. Hari mwathani ni hari riri very beyond our understanding. Kowo, please take those times. Yes, appreciate those times. Unazitake sawa ngwana, sawa washikadau, sawa watu yangu. Waitigirira ati ni wake ya Mahinda tamau yegukorwo ukihimbiria na ukorwo ginyagia ugeikara ati you think, you rethink, you draw. I told you, you have the pen, you give it to God. When you give it to him, for you restart, you refocus, you start again. Na usiogopa kuanza tena. Don't ever usiogopa kuanza tena. Ulipeleka barua mahali, ukaingia job wiki 2-3 ikakosa kujipa, usiogope kuandika barua nyingine, andika nyingine, peleka kwingine. Ulifungwa kabizi mahali hivyo, kakafanya 1 2 3s, usiweka chini, restructure, rethink, refocus, restart, na maisha inasonga. Aba namna gani? Tutige ate we are generation yago kuwa goro. Sisi hardcore. Watu wameja hapana. Watu watu walishikana mwaka uliopita. Wakafanya 1 2 3 finance bill chini. Kogo tugetikire modo makoigithie the makorode. You're a strong person. Na do ikinya hado uge, you know what, it is high time I send myself to God. Unaambia God, unasema kama Mungu ajilete mimi najipeleka kwake. Hapana, nitoa kumithia rohosho na toore gathini wale toria Yesu Kristo. Ithe tutigo kwa ngoro, ithe tutikwenina, ithe tutikonina rucio ritu. Tugotigirira ati maundu maria turagika ni magutigirira ati rucio ritu ni ruragithie rukiagirite ona makiria na tukemenyerera. Take care of yourself. Most importantly, take care of yourself. Take care of your mental health. Take care of your body. Take care of those people close to you. Take care of those people who love you. You can take care of those you love, but for those who love you, take more care of them. Adoshoma kwendete because of who you are. Please take care of them more. Unajua kuna wenye wewe unapenda na kuna wale wanakupenda. So take care of those who love you more. Because hawezi kubali kuona ukiingia mahali. They will hold your hand anytime, any minute, anywhere you go. Like watakuwa tu hapo hivyo na kupiga tu support system. Wanakuambia, ukipita hapa, maze, because I love you, I want to see you do this. Take care of those people a lot. Sawa. And I have said, take care of yourself, take care of your mental health, take care of your heart, take care of your body, take take care of everything that surrounds you. Yeah, sawa sawa. So that you can have a very positive energy around you, whatever you're doing, whatever you're thinking, whatever you intend to do, whatever you're talking, whoever you're talking to, those who are talking to you, like all of that. Yes, please make sure you take care of that and take care of your relationship with God. Take care of that. Yes. Tusikue tulisema tutaki kwa generation yenye haijui sagodi. Nilikwambia venye wewe mzazi wako alikushika mkono akahakikisha every Sunday unaenda Sunday school, pia wewe juu ndipo hapo tunaelekea isikue wewe ndo utakuwa unafanya mtoto wako anakaa kwa nyumba. Na wewe ulijua Luke 2:52 ukiwa 3 years, na utaki kupeleka mtoto kanisa. Ogo mshari yako nyitire ayigutogoria agigukoria. Imagine sasa hiyo unasemanga ati Mungu venye mamangu amekwambia na initendeke. Juu unajua mamangu atakwambia maombi fiti, mamako anakuambia maombi ubarikiwe. Na wewe je? Wewe alafu ukifika hapo mtoto wako ataweza kusema venye mamangu alikwambia. Itakuwa possible? Kwa we take care of everything that's around us, and please remember to take moments of seclusions when everything is heavy and you don't know where to step into that room. Unaweza kosa mahali pengine, but you can never lack a floor to kneel down and talk to God. Ama namna hao nagakiona wega shireketie kwihada wega thaa 10 na ndagika 54 mwerekeri wa kwa rajira tafadhali. Hata wewe you need to go into a room of seclusion. Ananiambia niharakishe. Ati si room ya seclusion. Hii ni ya kufanyia show.